Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop files from downloading from OneDrive on your Windows computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing Windows+E on your keyboard. This will bring up your File Explorer window where you can access all your files and folders. Once your File Explorer window has opened, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where your quick access options are displayed. From here, locate and click on your OneDrive folder to open it. This folder contains all the files that are currently syncing between your computer and your OneDrive cloud storage. Opening this folder allows you to see which files are being stored both locally and in the cloud. Now, within your OneDrive folder, browse through and locate the specific files you want to keep stored on your computer without continuous syncing. Once you've found the file, right-click on it to bring up a context menu. This menu gives you several options for managing how OneDrive handles this particular file. From the list of options that appears in the context menu, click on Always Keep on this device. This is the key setting that tells OneDrive to stop downloading and syncing this file from the cloud. By selecting this option, you're essentially pinning the file to your local storage only, which prevents OneDrive from automatically updating or downloading it again in the future. After you click this option, pay attention to the status icon next to your file. You'll notice that it changes to a green checkmark. This checkmark is an important visual indicator that confirms the selected file is now stored exclusively in your local directory. OneDrive will no longer sync or download updates for this file, which can help save bandwidth and storage space, especially if you're working with large files or have limited internet connectivity. And that's it. You've successfully configured OneDrive to stop downloading specific files, giving you more control over what gets stored locally on your computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.